Did you know Facebook is secretly collecting your personal information, even if you've never actively gone on the social media platform? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, here to warn you about the latest in tech news and keep you informed with quick tips over at CyberGuy.com. That's where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Now, social media has its plus sides. A lot of people love it. But there is no denying it is a huge haven for data collection. It's very invasive. Most of the information we hand over, they keep. We upload photos, share birth dates, and say yes to handing over information through cookies. Well, did you realize that apps like Facebook, otherwise known as Meta, the parent company, may have more than what you've given permission to? Now, if you're not on Facebook, whether you've never had an account or you previously used one in the past, it doesn't mean someone you know hasn't handed over your phone numbers or email addresses. Facebook admits that when people upload their address book to the Facebook platform, it's the same thing as handing over your information stored with you never knowing it. You can check to see if Facebook has your information along with requesting the removal of it over at facebook.com/contacts/removal. Check either mobile number, landline, or email address. Tap Next, then fill in your information. They're either going to search Facebook and Messenger or the Instagram platform. Continue to follow the prompts to see if your data has been breached. If you want more ways to take back your privacy online, that's what I do at CyberGuy.com, and that is where you can also get alerts by signing up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.